Welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Update with the week of March 19th. Hello, I'm John Thomas from Primary Residential Mortgage here to give you your weekly rate update. In the news last week, we saw that we had some good news from the Federal Reserve, which helped boost the stock market, pulled money out of the bond market, so that was bad news for mortgage rates. We saw mortgage rates jump up, in some instances almost a half a percentage point. They jumped up from the beginning of the week on Monday to the end of the week on Friday. So it was a bad week for mortgage bonds, bad week for mortgage rates. Rates are still at all-time low, but we did jump off the historic lows, moved up about half a percent. Continued good news. We'll keep that trend going higher for the bonds, higher for the mortgage rates. So you want to get your rate locked in now. Now, why did we see those rates jump up? Federal meeting basically said the economy is starting to improve. Housing's still depressed, but the rest of the economy is moving at a good pace. And we did see some hints of inflation, and the Feds did mention inflation could be coming into play. So we saw the consumer price index hedge up, even though the manufacturing index did not. So as soon as inflation starts kicking in, that is bad news for mortgage rates. We'll see them. That's another reason for them to tick higher. We also saw that the Feds did not mention at all QE3, quantitative easing 3, another round of bond buying. That was anticipated. So again, another bad move for the bond market, causing rates to jump on that. And then it looks like we saw Europe solve their problem, at least for the foreseeable future, by kicking a can down the road on Greece and doing a bailout. So again, we will see news coming out of Europe again. It's not great. Same with Iran and Israel. But for right now, the news is pretty good. So all that together kind of caused a big sell-off in the bond market and people jumping back into the stock market. So let's take a look at the bond page and see what's going on. As you can see, we had an up-down trend, and we broke that trend last Monday, and we started selling off, and the trend right now is for the bond market to keep selling off unless something can change that. So I'm going to recommend that you lock in here ahead of rates getting even worse. So take what you got and run with it. In the local news, we just had a free first-time homebuyer seminar this past Saturday. Had almost 70 people in attendance. It was a great seminar. If you missed it, the next one is Saturday, April 21st in Newark at the Christiana Hilton Hotel. You can register by calling 302-703-0727 or register online, DelawareHomebuyerSeminar.com. And then we're also having one Tuesday, April 24th in Dover at the Dover Sheraton, right there on 13 in the middle of Dover. So again, that is Tuesday, 6:30 p.m., April 24th. You can register online or give us a call. That's pretty much it. If you need help with a mortgage loan or have questions about a rate or a program, give us a call in the office, 302-703-0727, or visit us on the web, PRMIDelaware.com. Thanks. I'll see you next week.